Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Bullx Neo referral code. So first thing you're going to need to do is sign up for Bullx Neo. So just visit their official website and then complete the registration process to create your account. And now since you want to join the Bullx Partner Program, you need to fill out the Bullx collaboration form available at this link right here. I'm going to put it on the screen. And here is a detailed breakdown of the form and examples to guide you. So this is what it looks like if you open the link. So you'll just need to answer the questions. So like for example, what is your Telegram? So you just have to write your Telegram username that you use to log in your Bullx Neo. And the second question is what is your Twitter? So just provide your Twitter profile link, and then everything in here are just questions that you have to answer. And then once you're done, or once you have filled out all the fields, just submit your form. And then after that, the Bullx team will review your application, and then you will just receive a notification. And then upon approval, two new sections will be added to your Bullx Neo interface. So this is how it looks like. Here you will see your referral link, and then you can also see here your affiliate link. So you can copy them, you can share them to your friends, your followers, and that's it. You will gain revenue if your link will be used by other users. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!